So inflation is eating up my hard-earned savings, just like yours probably. And letting it sit, it's just burning a hole in my pocket. Investing in real estate felt like the right move, but the risk, like the numbers, that scared me. Then my friend, who's been in real estate, introduced me to the flip calculator. Turns out putting my money to work in real estate wasn't as daunting as I thought. This tool, it's like having a safety net, making the numbers game, well, fun. It's accurate, it's user-friendly, and it gives me confidence in every deal. It's like having a secret weapon against those inflation blues. I took that scary step, I put my savings to work, and the results? Way better than letting inflation eat it up. Don't let inflation win. If you're hesitant about investing, start with the flip calculator. Make that money work for you. Turn those inflation worries into real estate wins.